Today we are talking about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. From its expected launch window to the full spec breakdown, let's jump right in. Multiple industry sources suggest the Galaxy A57 5G is slated for March 2026, though some rumors rounds also mention late 2025, particularly in markets like India. So, while Samsung has not officially confirmed anything yet, March 2026 currently seems the most plausible global timeline. The star of this phone is expected to be the Exynos 1680 chipset built on an efficient 4nm process featuring a 1+4+3 core layout. Rumor has it that it delivers about 22% better multi-core performance versus the Exynos 1580. Plus, with the Eclipse 550 GPU, it could potentially double graphics performance, bringing 60 FPS full HD gaming and even rudimentary ray tracing to the mid-range segment. You will likely to get a crisp 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel, and thanks to LTPO 3.0 technology, it may offer an adaptive refresh rate from 10 to 120 Hz and peak brightness up to 1900 nits. Great for both battery savings and outdoor visibility. Photography could be another strong point. Leaks suggest a 108 megapixels main sensor for featuring ISO LLHM6, a significant bump from the 50 megapixels units typical on the lineup, with OIS included. This is paired with up to 12 GB RAM, possible even 512 GB storage, and a 5000 mAh batteries with 65W fast charging that can fully charge in about 42 minutes. On the software front, expect Android 16 with One UI 8 enhanced by built-in Galaxy AI features like object erasing, real-time translation, and smart video editing. Samsung is also rumored to commit to 7 years of security updates, a standard promise in the mid-range category. In summary, the Galaxy A57 5G looks like it could redefine mid-range expectations with a premium display, performance, visionary camera upgrades, and industry-leading software support. If Samsung delivers on these specs, we could be looking at a serious value king. What's your take? Excited about the A57 5G? Let me know in the comments, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more leak breakdowns and upcoming launches. Thanks for watching.